Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thanks so much for ordering your folded cards with Directly Jen. I'm going to walk through in this video how to upload them to Vistaprint to get the best possible outcome for your print project. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to click over to Invitations and Stationery and then go to Thank You Cards. We're going to wait for this to come up, upload your card design, and we are going to go to Horizontal, Folded, and select. Then we're going to click on Upload Your Design. I've already actually uploaded my designs to Vistaprint, which is being really annoying right now. So maybe I'll have to upload them again. We'll try that. And so we've got our front, inside, and our back. And it's going to be annoying and do that, so we're just going to go and say replace image. We actually want to replace it with the back, which I think, or with the front, which should be this one. I'm not sure why it's not showing, and it's not that one. So we'll replace it again. There you go. All right, so there we go. And then our inside, upload our design. I think it was this one. Was it? Nope, that's the back. Change. Upload your design, change. Sorry, it's being wonky, but if it's wonky for me, it might be wonky for you. So there you go, and you're just going to drag this down, center, and then go to the back, upload your design, and we know it's that one because it's not checked. And there is our back in the center. And then we're going to go ahead and click on next. It looks amazing. Continue to our cart. Paper stock, you can decide which one you want. I usually try and go with that little extra nicey one, and then you can change your quantity here. So this tells you what the quantities are. We'll just leave it at 10 right now, just for our purposes. I'm going to go ahead and add it to our cart. Maybe. There we go. And then you can go ahead and you can get colored envelopes, so you could do navy if you wanted to do that right on a gold with a gold pen or whatever. It's an extra couple bucks, or you can go ahead and just click and do the free ones and then go to continue. And then continue to cart because they're trying to get you to buy some extra stuff. And then just letting you know, once you get to your cart, there's an extension you can get for Chrome, which is called Rakuten. I've sent you the link in the email with your files. You get cash back with it, which is awesome. I've had up to 10% cash back with Vistaprint. You just click on this button here, and then that will bring a screen that says you're on your way to cash back or whatever. You can see that you can use it in other places. They do have coupons. However, this 40% that's off site-wide right now. No, don't know how long it's going to last. If it's not here when you get this video, then go ahead and just use one of the codes in the Vistaprint or in the Rakuten. But just FYI, this is an amazing deal. So go with that if you can. So you get $30 off with Rakuten, or $30 rebate with Rakuten when you first use it and sign up. I get a $30 referral fee, just being upfront with you about that, but it's great. I recommend it because you can really save some good money. So that is how you upload your files to Vistaprint. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out and we will do our best to help you troubleshoot your issues.